exactly.
So same thing here, right? So I got the put, there it goes on the bleed out. And then of course my stop would be just above it, but there you go. There's a successful trade, right? It was 550. I did not collect, but I want to see if it'll bleed more. So we waited for it to come through, which it did. Looking good. There it is again. I'm positive again. There it goes. There's the payout, and I'll take it. There's $1,000, $950 on the sell. Did you guys see it?
Nice job, coach.
Yep. But isn't that VIP? We trained this all morning, didn't we? And now look, it came down. It touched my 446.35 to the exact penny, and then it bounced up. See it? To the penny. Yeah, I'm going way back now on SPY. I told you guys, though, when I was looking at it, I said it had a huge gap down, didn't I? That was this. That was the gap down was 446.35. That was the huge gap down. I told you. If you look at my screen, that was based off of here, 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 and here. And I told you earlier today when I did these last six, I said this is the gap down, didn't I?
Hey, Coach.
It was
All right. Yep. I just wondering what's your opinion of AMD right now? I've been trying to scalp off the VWAP there.
It's all to the downside still.
Yep. Okay. Sounds good.
Same thing. So take a look. If you take the top of the chart, and I want you to literally go to the top of this wick, go to drawings, trend line, go right across the board. Look at this thing.
Got it.
All lower lows. See them?
That's right. Yep.
So just be careful. Let's look at the 2 minute. The 2 minutes actually going to flip soon to the upside. Again, though, this is where you got to be careful. Same thing yesterday. Now, yesterday it actually formed a full cup and kept on running. So that was tremendous. Just be careful, man. I'm just telling you, if you guys are going against the grain, you're more likely to get burned than if not. But if you like the trade, make the trade, have a tight stop until it looks good, and then you can loosen up the stop. Does that make sense?
Makes sense. And I've been only doing puts, no calls on that.
Oh, I got you. Yeah, that's actually a good idea. Puts against VWAP on the pullback with a tight stop in case it actually decides to run that time, right?
You got it.
Yeah, nice job.
All from you, Coach. Appreciate it.
Nice work. Now listen, the more times it touches VWAP, or if it sits up here, the more bullish this becomes until it will pop. Like right here, this is actually bullish. Do you see this? So this is a bullish position. Why? Because it touched once, twice, three, came up here 4, 5, 6 times, right? This keeps driving up, 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 up. It didn't drive up, up, big pullback, right? It's staying here. This is more bullish than bearish right now. More to the upside than the downside, believe it or not. Okay, so be careful here on a put.
Okay. Sounds good. And wait for the 2 minute EWO if it crosses over the VWAP.
That's correct. Yes, absolutely. Yep. And make sure it stays above VWAP because VWAP's going to be everything on this trade, right?
Got it.
Now, if you see a candle bleed out here, you can do a put because that means VWAP couldn't hold, right? So if you see the candle start to bleed, hammer the put and then have your call of your stop, of course, above VWAP, right?
VWAP. Yep. Perfect.
Yep.
Awesome. Thank you, Coach.
You got it.